Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusihlwa nje.
I was left with no choice to tell the people that employed me, which are the citizens of South Africa, that what's going on in our system.
Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi usephothele ubufakazi bakhe ngaphambi kwekhomishana eholwa ijaji eselithathe umhlala phansi uMbuyiseli Madlanga, kepha kusengenzeka aphinda abizwe kuso lesigcawu.
Saphila Nkosi Jesu ngaba yikho into engidenayo.
Usafuna ubulungiswa umndeni walo wabe usotsophu we-ANC kumkhandlu wesifunda uGu KwaZulu-Natal uWandile Mkhize nowasocongwa eMagate ngo-2012.
Having regard to all of the factors, I'm satisfied that the sentence of 15 years imprisonment is appropriate. The accused is sentenced to 15 years imprisonment.
Ugwetshwe iminyaka e-15 ebhadle ejele uSibusiso Zitha nowalahlwa icala lokugwaza bulala ehlekisana naye uThembekile Lihlape nowayedume ngelika Pastry Princess. Nina bomlilo wothathe kaMjokwana umlilo wothathe obuhanguhangu yaphinde yahlangana leyo mhlathe yaza nayo libumbene lomkhothi ihora siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze nazi indaba. Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi utshele ikhomishana kaMadlanga ukuthi uBrown Mogotsi othathwa njengosondelene kakhulu noNgqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu ufinyelela kalula kumadokodo abucaya semaphoyiseni. Udalule nokuthi uMogotsi uyena owatshela kuqala uVusumuzi Matlala owaziwa ngoKhet izindaba zokuthi uphiko olwaliphenywa ngokusocongwa kosombusazwe lwabe soluzohlakazwa esifundazweni.
Then Paul O'Sullivan went into the media and accused me. Instead of listening to the message I'm delivering and causes allegations I'm making to be investigated, he didn't bother. He just fired back almost immediately. So that made me realize that in Zulu will say, so I like to believe that perhaps this what I was alleging there somehow links him somehow.
Ngokunye kwezithulo zikaMkhwanazi azibeke phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje wethulele isigcawu ubufakazi bokuthi kungakanani ukuyamaniseka ukuthinta uNgqongqoshe uSenzo Mchunu uBrown Mogotsi kanye noKhet Matlala kumanje uhamba icala enkantolo yase-Alexandra.
This is Matlala asking Mogotsi, and Mogotsi responded on his WhatsApp. He says they got the letter on Monday. As we speak, they are bringing all the dockets to Spear. So I'm bringing this to the commissioners. That this is a person who's not in the police. He already demonstrated, he sent me the copy of the OPs and the likes a year before. And now he's talking about the dismantlement of the units and the dockets that are moving to Spear.
Uphinde wadalulela ikhomishana kaMadlanga izinsolo zokuthi nowake waba nguNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa phambilini ubheka iceli unesandla ekuzameni ukuphazamisa ukusebenza kwamaphoyisa.
General Khan from Crime Intelligence. So Cele is pursuing Khumalo to resign from the police so that he can stay away from the disciplinary case because he was appointed to deal with that case against, departmentally, against General Khan. So Khumalo says, no, this is the approach of Cele to want me to back off. And that got me so upset, commissioners, that can really General Cele go to the extent of wanting a person to resign from the service because he wants to protect someone? It was very strange. I did not talk to General Cele from the day. I did not talk to him. I was very upset. It disappointed me as a person who's a former minister in the police. I was just upset.
Umkhwanazi usebuqedile ubakho ubufakazi abethulele ikhomishana kaMadlanga. Kulindeleke ukuthi ngomsombuluko ibizele esigcawini abanye abahlonzwe njengokuthi kufanele bazovela phambi kwayo.
Umndeni wakwaMkhize walahlekelwa yilungu lomndeni ngeziwombe zokusocongwa kosombusazwe esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ukholelwa ukuthi icala liqhubeki ngenxa yokuthi kuvikelwa abaholi abathile abaphezulu kwezombusazwe. uWandile Mkhize wayeyisotsophu we-ANC kumkhandlu wesifunda uGu wadutshulwa wabulawa eMagate ngonyaka u-2012. Icala lakhe namanje alikaphothulwa.
Masingena nje emzini wakaMkhize sithola umama kaWandile Mkhize nomfowabo omncane bethe nje ukumabona kude wabo. Babuka ubufakazi obuthula uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kuKhomishana kaMadlanga ephenya imbiko yenkohlakalo emaphoyiseni nakwezomthetho. UMkhize wadutshulwa izikhathi esiningana esendaweni yakhe yokuhlala eMargate ngo-2012. Wayesanda ukubuya njengengqungqutheleni yenqubomgomo ye-ANC eyayise-Midrand. Ukubulawa kwakhe kwathusa abaningi ku-ANC njengoba ethathwa njengomholi owayebukeka ezoba nekusasa eliqhakazile kwezepolitiki. Umama wakhe oneminyaka engu-78 uthi akakwazi ukuchaza indlela okwamhlukumeza ngayo ukubulawa kwentodana yakhe ayisethembele kuyo.
Usaphila Nkosi Jesu. Ngaba yikho into engenayo. Ngoba ayikho into abayengayenzi la ekhaya. Wayenza yonke into. Kwafika kufa kwamthathake.
Emva nje kancane kokubulawa kaMkhize amaphoyisa amemezela ukusungulwa kwethimba elizophenya ngokubulawa kaMkhize. Kwaboshwa abasolwa ababili umndeni othi babuye badedelwa emva kokuthi kukhona ongahandiswanga ngendlela beboshwa.
Indaba ilapha ya emathendeni. Ilapha kwabantu abafuna ukudla bodwa. Uma ngabe khuza hayibo kanje umthetho ukuthi awushintshe uNkulunkulu wonke umuntu akwazi ukuthi abenefit. Kube khona abantu abangafuni ukuthi abanye abantu balentoze babenefit. Sekuba abantu abafuna ukudla bodwa babona bachangeke noma ngabe sesisiza ngakanani sabakhulu sakabangana namhlanje kodwa lo engathi ngiyakwazi ukuthi asivimbe mase sifuna yonke into ezekuthina.
Ngesikhathi kusungulwa ithimba lamaphoyisa elizobhekana nokubulawa kwasombusazwe kwasekuphela iminyaka eyisithupha uMkhize abulawa. Ithimba lizange lifike indawo nophenyo lwalo ngokubulawa kaMkhize ngokusho komndeni.
Full support the commission. I know we were told it's toothless. It's a talk shop. Its findings are not binding, but as Tina families of our victims were happy because we get to hear the true stories behind what happens behind the scenes.
Uthi kuyimanje banethemba elikhulu ikakhulukazi njengoba uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi esekhuluma ngamadokodo angu-121 okusolwa ukuthi ayethathwa abekwa ehhovisi lamaphoyisa ePitoli. Kwindaba ze-SABC ngo-Ayanda Mhlongo kwaNzimakwe.
Umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa uyibophezele ekusebenziseni ingcomo ezophakanyiswa yiKhomishana kaMadlanga. Umengameli we-ANC ube nengxoxo ekhethekile nomhlelo wendaba zombusazwe la e-SABC uMzwandile Mbeje.
Njengoba singene usukwini lwesithathu namhlanje isigcawu sejaji uMbuyiseli Madlanga, umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uzibophezele ekusebenziseni izincomo ezizophakanyiswa ekuphothulweni kwalesigcawu.
When the judge gives me the report on a periodic basis, we will be able to examine that report and the recommendations that are made and act on them. So in many ways, the Madlanga Commission process is what I would call going to be quite transformative.
uRamaphosa uphinde wacacisa ngenkulumo yakhe esuse umsindo ayenza ngesikhathi ANC nomhlangano namakhansela ayo ngomsombuluko nalapho encome umasipala baphethwe yiDA wathi bona benza kangcono kunabanye.
We need to look at this issue in a comprehensive way or in a broader context. There's the compliance issue and there's the transformative issue.
Yeah.
Now when and I know that many people in the DA got very excited and said, yeah, the president said this. And from a compliance point of view, a number of them are. But from a transformation point of view, they are not really meeting the mark.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uphinde waveza ukuthi usanethemba lokuthi SACP izohoxa esinqumeni sayo sokungenela ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo ngokuzimela. Kusenjalo uRamaphosa ukwamukele ukuvulwa kabusha kophenyo ngokushona kukaSteve Biko.
Izigidi ngama-34 zamarandi isetshenziswa unyaka nonyaka ekuvikeleni abashushisi bombuso. Lokho kuvele ngenkathi nomhlangano bekudingidwa kuwo udaba lwezobulungiswa kuleli ukunqanda ubugebengu kanye nokuqinisekisa ukuthi iqinile zokuphepha ezweni. Lo mhlangano ububanjelwe eHoughton eGoli.
Eminyakeni yakamumva nje isengcupheni impilo yalabo abadalula izenzo zenkohlakalo. Babito Deokaran wabulawa ngenxa yakho ukudalula izenzo zenkohlakalo. Uphiko oluphenya amacala lukholelwe ekutheni kufanele bevikeleke labo abakhuluma ngabenzi bengohlakalo.
So close protection and physical security per month, about 150 to 180,000. Plus accommodation and car when there's a need for in-transit protection, which costs about 200,000 per month. This is just on one.
Nabashushisi bombuso babhekene nomngozi.
We deal with 850,000 cases a year in the NPA by prosecutors across the country who put their lives on the line. In the Western Cape, we are dealing with probably some of the most hardened and dangerous organized criminals in the world, where prosecutors are fighting these cases every day.
Njengoba uqhubeka nje umsebenzi wekhomishana kaMadlanga, ungqongqoshe wezobulungiswa unethemba lokuthi bazovela obala abenzi benkohlakalo abayingxenye yohlelo olulwisana nomzolaboya.
It's just one witness that is before the commission so far. And you can see the extensive work that even the investigators have done to prepare. They've gone in, they are asking, and as we go in through the process, I think it's one of those that would be able to learn out of and build strength. If you look at past commissions, you'd see that every commission has led to some form of a review of something of the other.
Abebeyingxenye lomhlangano bafunge bagomele ekutheni bazokweseka ikhomishana kaMadlanga.
Ugwetshwe iminyaka e15 eBhadlejele usomabhizinisi uSibusiso Zitha ngecala lokubulala intombi yakhe uThembekile Litlapa owayaziwa ngoPestrichev. Isidumbu sakhe satholwa ubaba wakhe oyilungu leqembu Action SA eParliament uDokotela uHosi Litlapa ekhaya lakhe Fourways ngoNhlaba nyakenye. uDokotela uTlapa uchaze lesigwebo njengesidelela umndeni.
Ijaji lenkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli ligwebo uSibusiso Zitha iminyaka e15 eBhadlejele.
Having regard to all of the factors, I'm satisfied that the sentence of 15 years imprisonment is appropriate. The accused is sentenced to 15 years imprisonment. With regard to the aspect of possession of the firearm, the state has addressed me. The defense has not indicated what the position is with regard to Mr. Zitha possessing a firearm or ammunition.
Umndeni wakalitlapa awenemeneze ngesigwebo esithulwe namhlanje.
Looking at all the factors that were put before the court on his behalf, we do believe that the sentence was indeed just, and we hope that it does help him rehabilitate and that he changes his ways going forward. But we do, with regard to the sentence, we are indeed happy with what has been handed down.
uZitha wazivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi wagwaza isiqandamathe sakhe ngesikhathi ezinikele emaphoyiseni.
Looking at all the factors that were put before the court on his behalf, we do believe that the sentence was indeed just, and we hope that it does help him rehabilitate and that he changes his ways going forward. But we do, with regard to the sentence, we are indeed happy with what has been handed down.
Umndeni uthi kuyafana nje nokuthi uZitha uphume phambili kuleli cala.
Bukulesi siqhubeka itolo noma besibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthi
instructing attorney who is Morero and Mwegeti attorneys who approached me as the counsel and they briefed me on the matter. That's why I'm here.
Sihlehliselwe uZibandlela isicawu esandulela icala elibhekene nombulali uThabo Bester intombi yakhe uDokotela uNandipha Magudumana nabanye ngemva kokuthi uBester ephinde waqoka omunye ummeli omusha. Asikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili imbukeli besibike ukuthi umkhuzi wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi usephothule ubufakazi bakhe ngaphambi kwekhomishana eholwa ijaji eselithathe umhlala phansi umbuyiseli Madlanga kepha ke usengenzeka abizwe kuso lesicawu. Bukela sekukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba uzibuka njengamanje ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Wena kumele ukwenze ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uma nje ziphela oza ukuthi bazoyifaka wena uzoyithola ngokunjalo bazo. Uphiko lwentsha ye-ANC selunxuso ukuthi bakhonjwe indlela bonke ongqongqoshe be-DA abahlulekayo ukulandela inhlelo enenqubekela phambili kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa.
Lolu phiko lunxusa uMengameli Cyril Ramaphosa ukuthi abakhombe indlela ongqongqoshe be-DA ngaphansi kohulumeni wobumbano abangafuni ukulandela imigomo abathi izohlomulisa abantu baseNingizimu Afrika ikakhulukazi intsha.
I was saying the president must urgently, because the ANC Youth League has diagnosed the DA as them being in government with us but acting like an opposition. Now they are not taking collective responsibilities and instructions of the president. Now I was saying that the president must urgently act on them and remove them and bring in partners who are prepared to implement the program with us.
Ephawula ngeCommissioner kaMadlanga, uMalachi uthe uma kukhona ilungu le-ANC lithola linecala kule commissioner kumele likhonjwe indlela.
On the Madlanga Commission, look, we're not going to associate ourselves with criminals. If you are in the Madlanga Commission and there's proof that you have done criminal activities, you are not our comrade. You don't deserve to have membership of the ANC. Now, anyone else those who are accused must go and prove that they are not guilty.
Njengoba leli qembu libheka okhethweni langonyaka ozayo, uphiko lwentsha luthi luzohamba phambili ikhankaseleni ukhongolose.
Izakhamuzi zase-Overcome Heights e-Southern Peninsula seyicele uhulumeni ukuba enze okuzoqinisa zokuphepha endaweni. Sekudutshulwe kwabulawa abantu abaningana kuleya ndawo. Izakhamuzi beyimasha ngaphandle kwezakhiwo zePhalamende ikhala ngokwenyuka kwezinga lobugebengu kuleya ndawo.
Lezi zakhamuzi zithi sezihlalela uvalweni njengoba zihlukunyezwa amaqembu emgulukudu endaweni. Zifuna ukuba kwandiswa amaphoyisa endaweni ukwehlisa ubugebengu obunodlame kanye nokuthuthukisa ezokuphepha.
Our people is traumatized in Overcome Heights. Our kids can't even go to school. They can't even write tests. The situation is so bad.
Izakhamuzi zithi liphezulu kakhulu izinga lobugebengu e-Overcome Heights nekwenza kube nzima kubo.
Every day they're walking with guns and I can't go work.
I must stop my work this morning and I run. And I could tell my colleagues, you think it's right, we must stay like that.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubehambele eWestern Cape emasondweni amabili edlule eyohlangana nezakhamuzi eziphila kanzima ngenxa yobugebengu.
The fight against crime is a national imperative that requires a whole-of-government approach. No single sphere of government can succeed alone. National, provincial, and local governments must work together, drawing on their respective mandates, resources, and capacities.
Umkhandlu dolobha iKapa usanda kutshala amaphoyisa omasipala ababalelwe emakhulwini ayisikhombisa azosiza ukulwa nobugebengu eCape Flats.
Sihlehliselwe uZibandlela isicaba esandule luqula kuyicala elibhekene nombulalo ophinde abe ngumdlwenguli uThabo Bester intombi yakhe uDokotela uNandipha Magudumana nabanye ngemva kokuthi uBester ephinde waqoka omunye omusha ummeli ngemva kokulaxazwa ummeli wakhe omdala.
Unqume ukuhoxa ummeli kaThabo Bester nongumsolwa ubhekene noxhaxha lwamacala okubalwa kuwo ukweqa ejele. U-Advocate Lerato Moela uhoxe nje kuqhubeka isigcawu esandulela ukuqulwa kwecala kanti uBester usekwazile ukuqoka omunye ummeli osezethule ngaphambi kwenkantolo.
We also have several applications, including the judgment of appeal that came yesterday, whether we should go to motion or action court, but it was denied. So we still have to proceed with that as per instruction, dealing with the conditions of his incarceration.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseBloemfontein ibeyisiyalela ummeli omusha kaBester ukuba athi ukubhunga naye kabanzi ukuze ngosuku lokuqhubeka kwecala kungabi nezihibe ezizobabambezela.
Cannot interfere with that. It's your decision. But it is in the interest of justice that they consult today and that they do their consultations properly.
Ngakolunye uhlangothi ummeli kaDokotela Nandipha Magudumana uthi basalinde isinqumo senkantolo yomthethosisekelo njengoba ephikisana nokuboshwa kwakhe kulaseTanzania.
Gleaning from the record, you would notice that on the previous appearance we made the same submissions that we are waiting directions, and even today the status quo remains.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuxhumana nezobuchwepheshe uSolimalathu useyichithile inkulumo ezithi iSentech izocisha imbhoshongo yokusakaza eSABC ngasekupheleni kukaZibandlela nonyaka ngenxa yesikweletu esiphezulu somsakazelo umphakathi.
uMalatsi usandula ukubhengeza ukuba utyumbe inkampani yabucala eza kuphanda indlela emakuxhaswe ngayo ngokwezimali iSABC. Uthi akunyanzelekanga kulindelwe kuphunyeziswe umthetho oyilwayo iSABC Bill phambi kokuba kuziwe necebo lokuhlangula ijelo losasazo likazwelonke.
One of the shortcomings of the SABC bill in the draft format that it was said that a funding model must be developed within 3 years, and that is kicking the can down the line. You know, you need a funding model immediately.
Umphathiswa uthi le nkqubo iza kuthatha inyanga ezintathu.
There are several contentious issues about the SABC bill in the format that it was, and those are widely accepted, you know, some of which are even accepted by the SABC. And I think it's important to even contextualize that one of the fundamental flaws of the bill in its version is that the SABC CEO must be the editor-in-chief. And that is a contradiction of the most basic principle of media independence.
uMalatsi uthi intetho kasihlalo wekomiti yonxibelelwano yaseParlamente uKhusela Diko yokuba elijelo losasazo lingacinywa emoyeni ekupheleni kukaDisemba ukuba akuhlawulwa inkampani iSentech ayizokufezeka.
I've spoken to the SABC board and the SABC management that they need to fulfill their obligations to pay their bill.
Kwindaba ze-SABC Dingubulelani Philip eKapa.
Ake sibheke uhlobo elinjani izulu lapha kwaHlwemini efoleni emahlongwa nakwezinye ingxenye zezwe. Mbukeli usale kahle.